Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove reviews from your WooCommerce product page. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your product pages, or if you're managing a store where customer reviews aren't part of your business model. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can access all your site management tools. Make sure you're using the correct account that has your WooCommerce store set up. Once you're logged in and viewing your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to locate and click on Woocommerce. This is where all your store settings and configurations live. When you click on it, an expanded menu will appear showing you various options related to your online store. From these options, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration page for your WooCommerce store. You'll now be on the WooCommerce settings page. Look at the top of the page where you'll see a horizontal menu with several tabs. From this menu, click on Products. This tab contains all the settings related to how your products are displayed and what features are enabled for them. Once you're in the Products section, scroll down through the available options. You're looking for a section specifically labeled Reviews. When you find the Reviews section, you'll see a checkbox that says Enable Product Reviews. This is the key setting that controls whether or not customers can leave reviews on your product pages. To remove reviews from your WooCommerce product page, simply toggle this checkbox off. By disabling this option, all review functionality will be removed from your product pages, making them cleaner and more focused on the product information itself. After you've toggled off the Enable Product Reviews checkbox, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This final step is crucial because your modifications won't take effect until they're saved. Once you click Save Changes, WordPress will process your request and update your store settings accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully removed reviews from your WooCommerce product pages. Your products will now display without the reviews section, giving you complete control over the information shown to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.